body weight, single leg, Romanian deadlift. First, we're gonna make sure we have good spinal control here. You're gonna take your stick, dowel, hockey stick, broomstick, put it on your back. Make sure that you have points of contact of your tailbone, your mid-back, and your head. When we tilt forward, you maintain all those points of contact. Stand on one leg, tilt and hinge just from your hip forward. Maintain those points of contact as well as the curvatures in your spine, in your lower back, and in your head. As you feel tightening in the hamstring, you're going to squeeze and pull back up. There will be a level where you cannot go any further and your spine will want to flex. Do not go past that range. Stay in whatever range you can maintain all those points of contact. Secondly, you're going to try and make sure that your hips aren't rotating. It's very common. As you tilt forward, your hip will want to do this. That's because it wants to stack your center of gravity to make it slightly easier. Try not to do that. Use that same stick and see if you can maintain contact with the two bones in front and keep that nice and level as you go back and forth. Good luck.